Hey everybody, so I've got some more oil residue dirt buildup on the front of my engine than I used to have, and we'll just start with some low-hanging fruit here, and that's the oil dipstick O-ring. So all you need to do is take off your intake that sits right here. It's two just plastic rivet type retainers, and just pulls right out. And then you'll have the dipstick sitting in there somewhere down there, and that right there is the mount for the dipstick tube. So it's just a 10mm socket you'll need to loosen that, and it just pulls right out of the oil pan. So on mine, you'll see it's smushed, kind of cut up a little bit on that edge. So hopefully just getting a new O-ring will seal off that leak, and we'll see where the next one takes us. But yeah, that's the first step here. So pretty easy, couple bucks for an O-ring, and hopefully get rid of some of that oil dripping onto the exhaust down there and smelling up the car. So yep, easy job.